Hello, in this tutorial I'm gonna show you how to change color of any object in Photoshop. This is very useful technique. By this technique you can change any image, any object to your desired color, and this is very easy to do in Photoshop. Let's start. To teach you this technique, I already have opened a traffic light. We will change the color of this green light into red. Let's do. First of all, you need to select the area you want to change the color. For example, I want to change the color of this green light to red. That is why I am selecting this green area. By selecting this elliptical marquee tool, simply drag on it and it is selected. Now we have to go to image menu, then adjustments, then hue, saturation. From this dialog box, we can change the hue and saturation of this image. If we change the hue value, the color will be changing. Let's see. This color is changing randomly and immediately. So you have to find out the point where your desired color is. So we are going to make it red. By the saturation, you can set the depth of the color. You can also change the lightness. Alright. By this technique, you can change the color of any object to any color. Click on the OK button. Let's zoom out, and here it is. Pretty good and pretty simple, right? Thank you.